Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best portable washing machine available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best portable washing machine, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. No_null washing machine. Wash capacity, 24 pounds. Spin capacity, 16 pounds. This washer is perfect for washing big loads such as shirts, jackets and sheets. We upgrade the extended drain pipe 4 feet, so you can drain more easily. And this portable washing machine equipped with a drainage pump, you can choose freely drain water to a higher position or a convenient place randomly. You never need to worry about the drainage problem. Washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes while the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Feel free to choose any time to wash. The size of 32x18.4x36.5 inches is suitable for limited space. No installation is required. Easy to move and transport to anywhere. Lightweight and space-saving design allows it easily fit in a bathroom or closet. Ideal for camping trips, dormitories, apartments, etc. Put the clothes in, fill with water, set time, hit start button, go and sip your coffee, take it out. Simply enjoy clean laundry and fragrance of laundry detergent. Twin tub design. With the twin tub dual function design, this washing machine can save your precious time by washing and spinning dry loads at the same time. You can move clothes directly from the washer to the spinner, or run both sides together to finish your laundry. The portable washer features a 1300 RPM powerful motor, 360 watts washing power and 160 watts spinner power, saving much effort on washing. Also, clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. The transparent window allows you to see the process of washing or spinning. Our mini washer machine can achieve low consumption and save water, while free your hands. Number 2. HAOYUNMA 8 liters foldable washing machine. This folding washing machine is integrated with washing and drying, multi-purpose, small in size, but fully functional. Foldable washing machine plus blue light and drain basket, which is very suitable for washing children's clothing, underwear, socks, towels, etc. Effectively remove and make your clothes clean. This washing machine is foldable that you can easily take it with you, suitable for both home and travel use. It is suitable for student dorms, apartments, senior homes, traveling, camping, business trip, etc. This washing machine provides all-round rubbing, positive and negative hand washing, with quick washing, to achieve strong stain removal effect. Coming with Blu-ray, it is really suitable for washing underwear or baby clothes. Keep healthy for you and your family. Our mini portable washing machine use TPE material, more resistant to aging, yellowing, high temperature and corrosion. Our portable washer machine of food-grade silicone material is a wonderful choice for your personal items, baby items, pets items. Number 3. HAOYUNMA folding washing machine. Integrated washing and draining. One machine for multiple purposes. Soft clothes, used in conjunction with the draining program to gently separate the residual moisture of the clothes. To meet your different needs, you can choose according to the degree of clothing. The positive and negative pulsator simulates hand washing. 360 degrees gentle washing does not damage the clothes. Strong decontamination and gentle rotation of the clothes, clean and do not hurt the clothes, much cleaner than hand washing. The folding design does not take up space, and can be easily stored in the living room, balcony and utility room with one click. Small and foldable, easy to carry. If you encounter any problems during the purchase or use, please feel free to contact us. We will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Number 4. Seago 260 watts large washing machine. Your washing care expert, smart mother's wise choice. Every family needs an independent mini washing machine. For baby care, bionic hand wash like Mother. The side drain outlet can easily discharge water without dumping. Rotating button and fold, Saves space, easy to carry when going out, light and portable, low energy consumption. Sorting laundry is healthier with drying bucket. Wash baby clothes, baby toys, personal clothes, shoes, socks and towels separately to avoid detail infection. Wash and drain in one exclusive drain basket. Gentle clothing, used with the drain program. Gently separate the residual moisture of the clothes to avoid violent dehydration causing the clothes to be pulled and deformed. Careful rubbing, less wear. Number 5. Seago Folding Washing Machines Portable 6 liters. Wash and drain in one exclusive drain basket. Gentle clothing, used with the drain program. Gently separate the residual moisture of the clothes to avoid violent dehydration causing the clothes to be pulled and deformed. Intelligent 3-gear timing to meet your different needs. 3-gear time adjustment. Choose according to the degree of laundry. The positive and negative pulsator imitates hand washing. 360 degrees deep soft washing does not hurt the clothes. The imitation hand washing pulsator cooperates with the precise washing speed to simulate the beating, rubbing and shaking during the hand washing process. Strong stain removal and gentle turning of the clothes, clean and not hurt the clothes, cleaner than hand washing. The folding design does not take up space, and it can be easily stored in the living room, balcony, and laundry room with a single press. With blue light auto disinfect. One-time washing of intimate clothing.